Hey there, drone enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart Choice. Today, we're diving deep into the world of professional aerial photography with 5 outstanding drones that are revolutionizing the way we capture the world from above. Before we jump into the reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated with our latest tech reviews. Now let's take to the skies. Let's start with the Bwine F7 GPS drone. What makes this drone really special is its impressive flight capabilities, combined with professional-grade camera features. The 4K camera isn't just any ordinary camera. It comes with a sophisticated 3-axis gimbal system that ensures your footage stays buttery smooth, even in challenging conditions. The 120-degree field of view lens and larger CMOS sensor are perfect for capturing those breathtaking landscape shots, and surprisingly, it performs exceptionally well in low-light conditions too. One feature I absolutely love is the 5x digital zoom. It lets you get those tight cinematic shots without having to fly too close to your subject. Now let's talk about flight time. With 3 2600 mAh intelligent batteries, you're looking at a total of 75 minutes in the air. That's plenty of time to nail those perfect shots. The build quality is impressive too, with brushless motors that can handle winds up to level 6 and operate smoothly even at altitudes of 2,000 meters. Plus, the GPS system is rock solid. You'll never have to worry about losing your drone thanks to its smart return features. Moving up our list, we've got the Ruko F11 GM2, and let me tell you, this drone is a game changer when it comes to endurance. We're talking about an incredible 96 minutes of total flight time with its 3 batteries. That's basically an hour and a half in the air. The 4K camera setup is where things get really interesting. It features a 2-axis gimbal combined with EIS, electronic image stabilization technology, creating this triple anti-shake effect that results in remarkably stable footage. The 5x zoom capability, paired with a 100-degree field of view, gives you amazing versatility in your shots. What really impressed me during testing was its transmission capabilities. You can maintain a stable connection up to 9,800 feet away, and it can handle altitudes up to 65 of 62 feet. The level 6 wind resistance means you can fly confidently even on those breezy days, and the digital remote controller with USB connection delivers rock-solid performance without any of those annoying disconnection issues. Now, let's talk about the Xperts X Pro Limitless 5. This drone is like having a professional cinematographer in the sky. The standout feature here is its advanced 360-degree obstacle avoidance system. It uses laser scanning technology to create a protective bubble around the drone, making it perfect for complex filming environments. The 4K UHD camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal delivers absolutely stunning footage, and the EIS ensures everything stays silky smooth. What really sets this drone apart is its incredible 3-mile range. That's some serious exploration potential. The gesture control feature is incredibly intuitive. It feels like the drone can read your mind. And for those dynamic shots, the surround mode lets you capture those epic orbit shots with you as the focal point. The smart follow me technology is spot on, perfect for solo creators who want to capture their adventures. Let's move on to the Shapefun 4K professional drone, and wow, does this drone pack a punch. First off, the flight time is phenomenal, 41 minutes per battery, and you get 2 11.4-volt, 8,000 mAh batteries in the package. That's 82 minutes of total flight time. The camera system is a work of art, a 4K HD setup with a 3-axis gimbal, EIS anti-shake technology, and a 130-degree FOV lens. Add in the 50x digital zoom capability, and you've got incredible versatility in your shots. The night vision capability is outstanding, perfect for capturing those magical sunset transitions and night scenes. What really blew me away was the 5-mile range and the ability to fly up to 2,625 feet high. The 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance system is incredibly sophisticated, providing excellent protection in complex environments. And here's something unique. It's rainproof. That's a game changer for those who don't want weather to limit their shooting schedule. Finally, we have the crown jewel, the DJI Avata 2 Fly More combo. This isn't just a drone, it's a complete immersive flying experience. The FPV first-person view system with goggles puts you right in the pilot's seat. It's the closest thing to actually flying. The motion control system is revolutionary. It feels completely natural, like an extension of your body. The camera system is simply outstanding, a 155-degree super-wide FOV combined with a 4K 60 FPS capability, and it can even shoot slow motion at 4K 100 FPS. The built-in propeller guard design is brilliant. It adds safety without compromising performance. What makes this drone truly special is its acrobatic capabilities. You can perform flips, rolls, and power loops with ease, opening up a whole new world of creative possibilities. The integration with the Lightcut app makes content creation a breeze, perfect for social media creators who want to streamline their workflow. So, who should get which drone? If you're looking for the most immersive and professional experience, the DJI Avata 2 is your go-to choice. For those needing maximum flight time and range, the Shapefun 4K is hard to beat. The Xperts X Pro Limitless 5 is perfect for those who prioritize safety and autonomous features. The Ruko F11 GIM2 offers incredible value with its long flight time and stable performance. And the Bwine F7 is an excellent choice for those wanting professional features in a more budget-friendly package. I've put links to all these amazing drones in the description below, where you can check out the current prices and any ongoing deals.